So Pooja ma'am, आपका आंसर वैसे तो I give your answer in a simple way, but I will make it better. So there are three forms of verb. Three forms mean the first form tells about present, the second form tells about past, the third form tells about perfect tense or passive voice. Third form is either used for perfect tense or passive voice. First form is present, second form is past, third form is either perfect or passive. So we have to understand this thing first. So verb has the power to be used in three forms. कल भी मैंने आपको जब डिग्री का फर्क बताया था, फर्स्ट डिग्री, सेकंड डिग्री, थर्ड डिग्री, मैंने आपको यही समझाया था कि वर्ब्स वो चीजें होती हैं जो तीन फॉर्म्स में प्रेजेंट करती हैं. जैसे कि अगर मैं कहूं हैज हैव इज द फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब, सेकंड फॉर्म इज हैड, third form is had, and that's why it is used this way when we use the different tenses. So your question is, what is the difference between advise C and advise SC? So advise SC is a verb, so it can be used as advised. It can be used as advice. Now if I have to make passive voice, he, यानी कि he का मतलब the patient was advised, so I can use only S वाला. Is it okay? Was plus third form is the rule of passive voice. Third form means it has to be verb. Verb means it has to be S wala advice. Is it okay?
Okay. Yes, sir.
If I use some other verb, suppose if I use some other verb, means the patient was given. Now my passive voice rule is completed. So now I can say is given advice C wala. This is noun. So this advice is a noun. So whenever you use the verb give, then you need not say S wala. If you are not using give, you can say the patient was advised. This is the third form. So this is verb S wala. C wala is noun. So अगर मैं कहूँ if I say advice was given, तो given is the verb, so ये वाला भी ऐसे ही use होगा. So if I say kindly advise the patient, so this is verb wala. Kindly advise the patient. So these are the different advice that you use. So if you say kindly advise the patient, if you want to put advice C वाला यहाँ पे, तो आपको verb change करना पड़ेगा, kindly give the advice. So means wherever there is give, you will use C wala.
Okay.
Otherwise you will use S wala. Simple. Is it okay for everyone?
Yes, sir. Thank you.